What kind of person in a UTV looks at this hill and thinks, yeah, totally got that. Oh. People have been asking, where's the UTV footage from everything? Well, today we're going to give you something UTV that's worth watching. Bounty Hill action from Blue Holler, $10,000 on the line, and there's a bunch of UTV guys that are going to hit this. We're going to see a lot of carnage today, so hope you're ready.
It's going to be rough. If a UTV makes it, it's going to be lucky bounds, but I think someone will do it. There's a lot of people saying they can't do it, but I really do think someone will make it up.
Are y'all in there? Yeah, because it's getting ready to get right. That's all I'm going to say. I'm at 25, but I don't know where I'll run. So we're getting ready to demolish a bunch of stuff. So y'all stay tuned because it's getting ready to get right.
That was it? You let out. Yikes. Needs more light bar. Nice save. This is a good man. So the good thing is, for the person with the best show of the day in the UTV class, they get a brand new set of tires. So at least there's something that you can win if you don't make it. And so far, that guy's got that in the bag. Wow, that was awesome.
known for.
We tried. We did whatever we could do to try to make it, but it's just too tough today. We tried.
Man, you got up there, done a big burnout, then flipped off to the side. Not once, but twice, and still managed to get back on the wheels and go.
Yeah,
That was a heck of a
yeah, we
ride.
had a pretty good luck. I just broke a tie rod in it when it's all said and done with. So, I mean, we had really good luck. Put them super grip tires to the test and smoked them, heated them up, and tried to get up there. It's hard to find a line today.
All right, thanks for the show.
Man.
Get your hand off the roof, man.
That is the craziest Can-Am driver there is. So you might be asking yourself, why in the world would you hit this hill in a UTV when it looks, and they pretty much proved today, impossible? Well, the answer is, they're all crazy. But we enjoy the show, and there was a chance of winning a free set of tires, which goes to Wyatt Wilson in the test subject buggy. He wins a brand new set of K9 tires for putting on the best show today. And for the rest of the guys, at least you'll be famous on YouTube now, right? But seriously, we appreciate everybody coming out to UTV and the bouncers and putting on a good show. Without you guys, there wouldn't be anything awesome to watch on YouTube, and we thank you for that. So without further ado, thanks for watching. Do it for Dale. We'll freaking see you later.